I want to tell you, say, thanks, you know what I mean, and looking forward soon again, you know what I mean, because I don't know anything. So we there, I do it, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So what a movie name? What we're gonna introduce? Introduce the movie.
This movie is Living with My Uncle. Yeah.
On on TikTok and something like
Oh.
people find.
You can follow me at the real Sash. The real Sash and no, wait.
No type before.
Alright.
So it's gonna be right below
The
right
real
now.
Sash underscore, yeah.
Real Sash underscore.
And you can find me on Instagram at care_3663.
Alright. Don't TikTok? On TikTok? Alright, you mean?
The real underscore Sash 0.
0.
TikTok and Instagram, same
TikTok
thing.
and Instagram. Alright.
Yeah.
So enjoy working with Candy?
Yeah,
Candy is very nice.
Candy at the G, man. Candy and G and Shaniki, that is Shan, LG. Yeah, all of them nice. Javi and Richie.
So
Everybody did alright.
So you work with public comedy and I talk
Public,
public.
be a nice public, make guys. Be a nice. You don't know what's in behind the scenes.
Alright, so big up on yourself and we shall get it. Alright?
Alright. Everybody in our business. The whole money about the wood money. What will I say there again?
Oh, so many hassle.
Party. Girl, what you do?
Jesus Christ. Be friend me, sir.
What's some color back there? What's some color back? A TV people in banana.
Me go pick a banana, them for cookie banana.
I say you're hungry. And the banana look young. Look how the banana little.
Are you a banana me a pick?
That can't eat.
You will find out when I cookie. My banana them me a worry about you. I can ask me what
Come, make we go sit down there, Santa. Cause something look like something there for you.
So it look obvious. Too much of going up here, there, man. Yeah, brother.
So what?
Mad them one mad me out up there.
So what happened?
No, just something me see if I see them one by door.
My girl, put your knife over there, Sam.
No,
come on,
gosh.
you swing it so far.
Me see so nice of a sheen when me want to buy. You know the sheen have cheap things.
You have money?
No, my shop me could have a picky banana this one and go sell it, but you have a problem with it.
So remember say, your uncle always drunk, you know? And he ever Lego for himself and remember say when he drunk he not much sense. So you not pick him.
Ah, true. You have sense,
So
you know.
when they?
He's supposed to up their sleep.
I don't if you don't mind remember say in a sleep so you not go no. All you do you have to take time and screech up to him and look which one I pack it buff, you know which part the wallet in there and just take out it.
But I'm not sure if he's drunk at the moment.
Girl, he always drunk. You know see a drunk at that. He addicted to the rum. I don't know how you deal with him up there. So you go now?
Yeah, me go up there right now.
Alright, go on. I'll take time and don't get catch.
Alright.
Because girl, you're real teeth with you, you know. As me said, jump in, say how high. No, son.
Someone really sleep with the rum back in their hand. What you forgot? It's a lucky thing, so I take off run back to 5 bed. Next thing you wake up and think you're pissing, baby. Take your money. Until you do waste money in a room.
What? How are you there?
Auntie said I must come check for you if you're alright.
Check for me, that the money send you to come check for me.
Yeah,
You sure she don't lie tell? She don't normally check for me.
I don't let me tell.
You don't lie tell?
Mm-mm.
Alright, you walk on, look come on. I help you with a favor again, yeah? You hear me say? Yeah, you hear me, you hear me. Make sure you hear me. You know you hear me, you're there. Look, come on. Come on, tell me. Move, come on, move. Room. There you are. What the fuck me you have?
Hey, that was easy, Father God. Father God, nobody seen me. We not do nothing wrong.
So, finally, they get catch.
No?
It takes so long.
You say me go up there and guess what happen?
Oh.
The man in there sleep with the rum buckle, hug up on there. All me a try pull out the rum buckle, the man nah let go of the rum buckle.
What me did tell you? A junk at dinner?
So me take up here and put it down and take time and go in the pocket and me see 4 grand in there. And me take out the whole of it.
So for me, you know.
We at now? We at?
You have too much chatting. Come now, man.
Wait until me tell you the story. Me go now, I come out, rum buckle, kick over, blam.
Get you.
Yes, brother, evening.
Oh, man.
There, you know. I hear a little thing I'm saying I come check you out.
Oh,
I hear say you get expelled from the school.
You know, say, I just only happen up at school and me end up just get expelled. Me already talk to daddy about it, but
Something happen. A big something happen.
yeah,
What you do, man?
I'm my fault so me get expelled.
Then I have a fault. A pitney fault like you get expelled.
People just a tell lie for me say
No,
I'll be
sir.
take so and I'll be techie. I'll be just end up get expelled.
Bad company, man. You see you got school apart, bad company, you see what you become.
I'm bad company.
You can't do like me, you know. You don't see some come through already worse. So what you plan for do?
You know what I'm gonna do right now.
You know what you do right now. You have to know what you're going to do, you know, and what you want in your life. You get expelled, what you go on? You learn trade. What you can do? In your young days, work hard for do, you know. Yeah, dear man, my brother. The key what kind of work out there, say, very hard. Could every penny I use, your finger them hard. So what you do in your life?
Listen, I don't know, you know, cause I don't even know what to do right now, cause
Actually, you love daddy more than mommy, you know. That's why them things can happen. You have to love everybody, you know. You know you love one over one, you know, because one take care of you more, better, more, up more than one. So I know you love your father more. But at least you still have to love mommy and listen to mommy sometime, you know. So I think setting up, brother. So you don't know how it all going, you know. I can't help you, you know. And you want a whole heap of help because you have a headpiece. So you're going to follow bad company there. So I don't know what you do.
I go think about what I'm going to do.
You think about it. You have a long thinking for doing it, man. A very long way we have to go, my boss. Remember me usually talk to you. See where you end up here now. So where daddy there?
You say you got to deal with something, but I don't know which one you got.
You don't know where he gone?
You say you must go up a town for get some stuff.
For your brain, man. I gotta take a lift up, you know. I'm gonna see if things can work out for me, I can help you. Because I help you, I'm a little brother, you know. I'm not throw you down by your face. And just be careful out of company. Because you see it now, expel. Them not get expelled, you know, but you get expelled. I bet you know you take it. But you love company. Company lead you astray. So you want to go on now. You go on different part you're building now. So your daddy just go and build. You go work you out. So little more. Watch out. You go on a mission, you know.
Alright.
So just go and hold it with daddy, you see me? And just be nice.
Alright.
So we catch up, you see me?
Yeah, man.
You make a better life, man, and come link you back, you see me?
Alright.
Watch it.
So you say, what you are doing now, me say? Auntie send me go check for that time. No, I don't know update. Oh, me left your money upstairs. By the way, I go buy some out of it and then me give you something.
You see you? You cannot be trusted. You know me know say you a thief. But me not wild you, man. Me not wild you.
Go away, me buy who a thief now.
You. No, don't worry yourself, man. Go on.
Let me take a big stone and lick out about thief. Nikki, you really a call me thief?
Go on, man.
Nikki,
do
what you
you?
know about thief?
Do you, man? I should tell you nothing. You want to look at miser.
You know what? I'm going to live from beside you.
Go on.
Damien, what do you doing here, sir?
Nothing wrong with me.
See if you look at car crash night, sir.
Just leave me alone. Simple that.
Me hear one little something go on, so you get expelled.
Yeah, me get expensive, so.
What you mean by? So you plan to do? Sit down right as one take breeze? Every day of your life?
What I'm going to do for the rest of my life, I don't know your business. Just leave me alone.
But you can't just done here, so. So who know about this?
Kim, just leave me alone. Go and take care of your drunk uncle. If you want to think about something, go and take care of your drunk uncle. I'll leave me alone.
Alright, boss. Since I say you want it, I'm going to leave you alone.
Thank you.
This girl, Nas bedait. Ini film pergi ada. Kim. Kim.
Yes. I want to know.
Sit down back side. Sit down.
What know?
I'm not around. Why is it hostile?
Because anytime you call me and say you want me to done.
Duh. Oh, you're here to help me. I help you, you help me. Duh.
What you say? Just talk.
You see, my day was going so good. I was watching this damn thing. Turn it off. But the thing is this. You remember my friend Janet?
Mm-hmm.
She said she wants to see you. She said she wants to see you because she rate your company. And your company is so good she wants to see you. So while going there to see her, I want you to just refill me up. Here? Yes, again. Alright, so when you refill me up, I'll give you a thing to know. You're a good girl. I'm telling you. You're good, as I said. Couple of like a soap night. Alright. What the hell is going on? Something is wrong. Something is super wrong. I had 4,000 in this wallet when I came in. You know, see, auntie robbed me. Your auntie robbed me.
That's for your auntie business.
Why this lady can't leave me alone? She's just a nagger. I can't understand why she can't just let me be. Understand? Oh, go work this out now. What's gonna happen? My day is ruined. Shaving cream. You don't have money, can you?
Where you get it from?
I just ask. I can't ask you. It's only like you have money. Hmm?
I have none.
You see, where you see auntie? The auntie out there now?
You don't know where spot she gone.
Christ, man. What this woman just leave me be, man. Shaving. Alright. Go check Janet. She want to see you still. So just make sure, tell her I say uncle we send the money come give her. Alright?
Me now go down at nobody place go trust.
No, it's not trusting girl. What's the matter with you? You're not listening, you know. That's why we can't agree, you know, man. Don't make me have a bad damn day, you know. Shit house this thing is just
Uncle,
I
me
said
no bother go
listen
nowhere.
to me, man. That's why me yo, I have card, you know, I have a lot of card
Give
here.
me
You know.
card, me no office.
No, can't use a rumbar. You think I that? Eh? You just ban?
So me no can go to supermarket.
Go to supermarket buy a Janet Maria go. Go down to Janet and Janet will give it to you. Tell her your uncle come later. I'm not planning to go back down there, but if I go down there, go pay me debt. Or later on, when I go down there town, because I can't go down so right now, me drop down. When I go down there town, me we start out some money and me give you a thing to me. You understand? Hello, I'm talking to you, girl.
Sun hot, I'm not walk free.
Come on, Daru. Go on go to your place. Go on your place. Go on, come on. Go on your place.
Check if you have no money.
I don't have dry. What's the matter with your man? You just let me just check a while ago. Go and do it something and come back. Let me know the situation. Step away, man.
You do the same thing.
Rock side here. That damn woman doesn't leave me be. Come out of my room, damn it. Yes.
My uncle said me down there say I must pull up this for him.
Tell your uncle so me no depend that.
He said we come pay the bill.
And you no pay a bill when higher from when?
I don't know about you and him business.
Me no depend that. If you want something else, you can't get it, but me no depend that.
Alright.
Excuse me if you see me drinking, 'cause this is the way I solve my problems. Oh, please, Nisi, won't you bring my rum to me? I need to calm my brain. Damn, gonna come in the room, man. Damn it. Supposed to come in. Show that time. I look like the buckle is empty.
Uncle, Janet said he not put no rum in it unless you come pay your bill.
What do you mean by what the hell is Janet tell you that?
Yeah.
Janet. That lady from the bar right there tell you that. Me clear my bill. What the hell is wrong with Janet, man?
He said how much money I have packed up down there for over months now. I am a PR. Every day you come down there and trust.
I don't you think it's the wrong person. Eh? I don't think she understands who I am. I'm not that guy. But listen to me. How long ago you went up there?
Uncle, when you send me up, then me go in the top. Now you tell straight up, then me go.
I've been waiting here for the past 2 hours. I don't understand.
Remember, say me have to take time and walk. It's on hot.
So hold on. Janet tell you, say, me have to pay a bill. I wonder if Janet remember how much tip me left up there. Eh? Sometimes I buy one old flask and I pay for 3. Eh? Janet understand the system. Hmm? So how me fi still owe and she owe me? So who? This is the first time when I owe her. Damn it, man. Give me the buckle then, sir.
Yeah, and Johnny start out with the business.
Can't imagine this why Johnny gonna do with that. So you sure you never go up like a face with her? Huh?
Uncle, when I go up there, go face with Johnny.
You face it. So I want to know if you got like a face with her.
Uncle, me not do that. You tell me go do one something and hit me go do.
No, today is not a good day for me at all. I lost $4,000. I don't know what $4,000 is. And you have nothing to do with that, right? Let's clear the air right now. If you have something to do with it, tell me from now on. Because if I find out and know that you is the culprit, it's not going to be pretty.
Uncle, how much years now me and you live? You ever see me thief money from you yet?
I can't say, but I miss enough. So
That don't mean say me take care of money. What me I do with the money?
All right, tell me something. If it's two of us in a car, you smell pop and it's not you, it's who do it. I don't understand how else to spell it out to you. But it is obvious. You understand? We're living in these days now where I don't know. I'm not saying it's you right now, but I'm just giving you the theory. You understand? Read between the lines. Damn it, man. Can't believe this situation.
You want to blame me for me say me thief your money? How much are we living at the house?
So why you keep on stressing that you thief?
Because me not take your money. What me I do with the money?
And if you find out it's you, you're in a big problem with a young girl. Young girl?
Uncle,
Young girl, I'm telling you this. Right? Your mother Ponce was a thief. It was in her hip, so it's in your blood. I'm sorry. So at the end of the day, I'm not going to say you can't change because the Bible and the gospel is real. You can change anybody. You understand? But in the circumstances where that is concerned, there's a high possibility that you're a thief.
Uncle, me and you live good for how much years now. Nobody make me disrespect you. Because you never see me thief nothing from you yet.
And that is what I say, I never see. So I can't say. But I'm missing it. But let me say again, life is like birds flying. You know what I mean? It all depends on the altitude you can bear. Understand what I say? You know what you say, you're not guilty, you shut your mouth. If you're guilty, you're going to squeal. Understand? Take your time, go on, because you're not used to me right now. You're useless.
And you not have no use. That's why auntie can beat you so.
Damn rank. When I start piss bed? Just last week, you know. Damn feisty. I'm going to solve this problem now. Joe! Joe! Come on, there's no Joe. Yeah, Joe, man. Alright, I eat that, you know. I guess. I'm going to solve this mystery myself. I can check. You know, Brown owe me some money. I'm going to check, bro. Yo, that's a good thing to say, man. Brownie. Fun scout. What else you say?
Yeah, I think you're done with drinking.
Never. Never, forever and ever and never.
Yo, when we grew up, you know, our old people drink rum, you know.
So we're not old. And it sound like we're young. And then I think I keep with grounded, you know, brother. And if you don't drink no something, I don't know. If you stop drinking right now, I'm dead, I'm sure. Because this is stop parking and something like that. But anyway, good to see you. Good to see you. But you want to tell you more money? $10,000.
Hold on, John P. Hold on. Pause for a minute. You remember all the things where you mash up for me? You mash up my lawnmower.
But the lawnmower I use. Never have no use.
Listen, man. Alright, yeah, the lawnmower never have no use.
Lawnmower
You beg me a driver for my car. And you lick off the whole of the back bumper. And all of them is sitting and me have to fix them out of my pocket.
But guess what now? If you can clear this something from behind the car.
Listen, what I say, John. You don't want to hear your excuse. All I think about and that alone, whole heap of countless things I not even remember where you mash up for me. And me have to stand in cars. And you ask me back for $10,000. That $10,000 couldn't even cover a cost, I think, where you mash up.
So tell me something now, that's even $5,500.
John P., I don't know if you run make you deaf or what, you know.
You hearing clearly, brother. You hearing clearly, but
Yeah, so if you hear clearly, you're supposed to hear me loud and clear. So right now, I don't have no money and I can't lend you, I can't give you back, nothing at all. When you need money and you not going to work out.
So where I go, right go? Where I go now?
What does that have to do with you?
No, I say, if you have, you my favorite place about Janet, sir. Janet bar up, sir.
You shouldn't even call Janet, out of everybody's name, you shouldn't call Janet, you know. Janet have it on the street attack, you owe him much money.
Janet shouldn't do that, you know.
Much rum you take up there, you know, pay for.
You must, as Mr. B, yo, I say, you must tip me give you, man. I'll tip me put tonight and this.
John P, here what? I'm going to allow you to continue to drink your rum. So just handle your business, I go up on the road. If you don't change your ways, you go junk all down the road and dark lick your mouth.
Brother, I'm not drinking road again.
Look
Stop
at
that, what am I talking about? Yo, really and surely? This is all good. Minis!
What are you? Warm to you.
I want to you.
Warm to you. Why you lie down in a bed from morning till night?
Yeah.
Look how long me gone from when me a talk, don't talk.
What is, may I pick me?
If you did me
Maybe.
pick me, maybe you'd have better. Because I don't understand why me have to repeat myself and talk too much time over the same thing. Me left the money, me wake you up out of your sleep and tell us that the money put down in the house.
Money
and
there?
me I'll tell you where it there. The way you love drink rum, you not even realize somebody tell us you have to go pay the bill. Suppose to make them cut off the light bill by a morning.
Money
Me and you not sleeping in no dark in there, you know. Because you know see your Jamaica hot now.
You listen, I say, calm down now. Money was here all this time.
Oh, so you're deaf. You never hear when me tell us that the money put on right there so. On the suitcase underneath the clothes them. You deaf.
Yeah, man, sir. Did you take money from my wallet this morning?
Do you have money in your wallet?
Well, you never know about it, but yes, I had money in my wallet.
You know what?
No, take. Let me ask you one question. Where you coming from?
Where me coming from?
Yeah.
Why you in the bed so long?
I ask you one question. Just answer the question.
The way you drink, you drunk, you
Where
turn.
you coming from?
You don't care where I am coming from.
I
Me I
want
come
you to
from
go
my
back.
business, what?
Go back where you coming from. Jesus Christ.
Oi, get up out of the bed where you have fall back
At
asleep.
night time, no, what expect me to do?
You asleep from morning and
No,
you still want to lie
no,
down and
no.
no. Get up, the sheet. Look on the sheet, it stink around. The
No.
sheet want change.
No.
Me not like nasty man from man, you lie down in a bed from me gone and you know bed. And a 7 to 7 work me I do.
What? No.
So the night Jew them when me in and the sun burn them when me take a daytime for the security work for come do what take care like you and my son. Get up!
What you want?
Me no want hear nothing from you more than me want you to get up out of bed and go be the little nasty self.
My beard. What's
When?
the matter with you?
Me left you asleep and come back and see you asleep. You tell me say you get up go bed?
There's a lot going on since you gone, lady.
Like what? Thinking about the rum?
No,
And
no.
don't remember to pay the bill. Excuse what I bed.
I can be honest
No
with you.
one change the sheet. Get. Jesus Christ, you there. Get up out of the bed.
Give me a second. I'm talking.
Why you always are making neighbor them hear you over
Give me
here?
a second. Yeah, listen to me and listen to me. Listen to me, man. Alright? I know you had a long day. My day was pretty longer because I didn't have my comfort of what I'm used
Me
to.
go tell you something. If your mama give your name John P or whatever DRC, me tell you something. You see? She make a big mistake because she got there with the wrong man and get a stupid ass like you. Come out of bed and don't get me from my wrong side. Look on your dirty clothes you're in from yesterday.
Alright, wait. I wear the money the way we're leaving. Just show me the money. Show me the money. Show me the
Let
money.
me tell you, am my money I think about now?
Just show me the money.
When night come down, all of the business place ain't closed. So you want to see it now?
You just want to see. Just to
You
believe
see
it.
you? It's a damn blasted junk.
What if it's my money that's missing? Is there? More say, it's missing money. It's missing
See your money in the rum bar. You see the
Alright.
reason why we can't stay in bed long? Because you drink too much rum. And you don't have no life like one time when we did just meet.
I never drink
Few
too much.
years ago. You is a drunkard.
No, not today.
Hello, go and go bed.
But how much time we tell me bed already?
Go on. So what you do, your son?
Listen to me. Tomorrow morning early. Nobody with the violence, man. Let me camera that with it. Tomorrow morning early. I go pay your bill. I'm gonna carry a receipt to show you. Alright?
So you think I lie me I tell? See money that when we put down.
Wait, man, right?
See that? Left me money alone. Left it,
Wrong
left
with
it.
you.
Come out. Come out, go be a drunk. Little girl, they lazy, you know, man. I can't believe it. Me have people in the house, especially that the big girl there. And not even one cup of tea she can't make him now. Watch out. Me have to make it for myself. Eh? I look at things and me hand there now. Chuck. Hey. But don't worry yourself. Watch. Watch me. Little girl! How is she there? Little girl! Little girl, come here. Hold on there. You get bright now. You start grow feather now. So you start kiss your teeth off of me. How you kiss your teeth off of me? You forgot to me and you are no size? Eh?
Somebody I know.
And me and your uncle there. And now me and your poopa. And even if I did me and your pa, you don't have no right to kiss your teeth off of me. Who is you? You don't even reach the age of consent yet to come go on like you want to big woman for me. I'm here live with you now. I'm here take care of you and your uncle, the dirty rummed man will send me and him there. And the whole of fee money gone in a rum bar. And my money you and them. Fee me money. Your uncle I eat. My money buy soap and food and everything to wash clothes and you can't disrespect. We are isn't it up a me little girl? I'm here rank with. Eh? I mean you the pass your place with you start facing with me now because you start grow feather up there and down there. So you claim say you're a big woman. Me and you on our side. Little girl, if me ever spit a ground and it dry before you wash up them plate, you see what me do to you in here? You hear me say, move man!
But then I have to talk about this. Come on, mother must left me in a situation. Yeah.
Hey, don't me tell about your mother, because she don't business with you. I mean, take care of your friend's son, think so. And right now, me have it to your son. Last straw. Don't listen away from the yard. I might have to dash out all your dirty uncle you're going to talk about. Me have to go talk to my uncle. Who is your uncle? He is only a roommate. Go wash your plate them.
Can't work. Hello? Punzi? Yeah, man. It's me. Yeah. Same man, yeah. But the only difference is me not call it for bigger nothing because you always say me as a call it for bigger things. Anytime your phone ring, I beg you for this and that, but I'm not beg you this time. Yeah. What me call it for tell you that, me tell you say, I have a little issue at the house. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to stick around for much longer. Yeah. I'm going to go on the road. You know what I mean? Can't take the abuse here, man. There's a lot of, you know, she's mouth enough already and noisy and all these things. I can't take it. Mm-hmm. Last night was the last straw. We having a little altercation and all these things, but this lady's getting physical. You know what I mean? The reason I even drink my rum is to shut out her damn voice. Yeah. Whatever you say, but here I go now. The main cause of this thing is you have to go find someone to keep going on, because if I'm not here, she can't stay here. Don't you go and stay that lady. Where I'm going, I don't have no space. And you know you can't call my brother, and you know, brother just got in jail last week. My thief cow. Can you imagine? Good thing is my owner is different father. Cause the blood the bloodline they rough. Yeah, but anyway, as I say, you have to go do what you must now. Don't think it can work. Yes, it not gonna work. So do what you have to do. And you have until maybe tomorrow or so. Cause me make up my mind, you know.
Same thing over and over and over. Wash plate, do this, do that, do that.
Housework is everyday thing. If you never know Miss Nastiness, housework is an everyday thing. Okay, so you know no house chores. You're nasty rich. Who to tell if you bathe from morning? Come and smell your mouth. You brush your teeth.
Not me go.
I hope a toothpaste that you use, because your mouth smell minty like you brush your teeth. I hope in the bathroom you go use my toothpaste, you know, make sure it's the cheap toothpaste you use, because your dirty uncle now buy nothing in here. Expensive toothpaste you want, but you want Sensodyne. Could you?
I don't know why my uncle take up a woman like you.
How you talk to?
Sorry, auntie.
Little girl, who you talking to?
Sorry, auntie. Me not mean if you say it. I devil say it.
I know you say it. I devil say it.
Yeah.
Well, I know you say it. Bend down and take it up. Take it up. Take it up. Give me before me shot your back in your ring. Let's start. Piece of bed now. Turn around and wash up the plate then. Out harder. One cup of tea you can't make give me. But me if you go out the door, go walk in the sun and do if you come take care of you. Bigger fool and so and can't do nothing. Yeah, I'm papi sure. A Jeremy?
No, auntie.
A Jeremy? How long out your tongue out your head little while? I will just come out of your throat.
Me
your tongue.
Me not do nothing. I play me that wash and it fly and me fan off it fly so.
Go tell us my last chance me I give you. Laugh. Can you take it for joke? I told me in a good mood today. Do it again. Do it again. Rank with me again, boy. You don't know where your uncle take up. Look here. You must turn it around. I don't know why auntie take up my uncle, because my uncle is a workless bastard. Oh, Tada. Oh, Tada. You eat from morning? Don't talk to me like that. Who you talking to? No auntie, yes auntie. Have manners, little girl. Don't get me on the wrong side in here. Me say if you name from morning.
No, me not eat from morning.
You don't eat from morning? And what cause that you don't see anything in the house to eat? No.
I don't buy no food.
Who not buy no food? Blood of Jesus. What a wicked little girl. What a wicked. No, me no say. You are wicked. How what is? Okay. So you're handicapped. How what is? What is this? No, talk it truth. See, I lay. If you can't look for chicken, see it here. Your name tin mackerel. Easy done it. Flash it out. I flash out it name tin boom. Name that because I know you can't cook chicken. When you done cook it, it look like a dog food. You damn right say nothing in your feet. You damn little and outside know about nothing in your feet. Wicked. You as soon left your uncle and you soon know where to go. Go and drink me tea. You alright. Make sure so the plate them wash clean and I don't want to see no grease in them. And walk.
We have an idea. The same thing I can make my uncle turn friend. The money with my teeth, I'm going to use it and buy the rum. Good idea.
Nah, you have to drink no rum or nothing at all like that, so. You know what I mean? Alright. So do we have to do? Good. How look girl I go?
Uncle, you have a big problem, you know?
Your problem can be like mine, you know? So I don't understand why you come to have problem. Hmm? I want to you though.
Uncle, me up there. And your girlfriend up there, a class me.
It's your auntie, you know. You still have your manners. And that is one of the part of the problem I guess with the both of you. We have to find out how you have to work it out. But I want to break this thing to you. I call your mother Punsy. And I tell her what go on. Because same problem you have, the same problem you have. Me can fix it right now. You understand me? So what you got to do is understand that there's a change coming. Your mother go find something for you go very soon.
So I don't really want to put by myself to live.
No, never for yourself. You go find somebody and find something if you can live this about. Or you want to stay with auntie? You want to stay with auntie? Eh? Exactly. So we'll find out how you have to deal with things. So you are going. Just don't put your brain too much hard on it. Because I know these things can create problems and all these things. So just go on do your thing and me keep you posted. You can call your mother and she will tell you what going on. Yeah? Alright, so look come on. Oh yourself, me ain't good and Spoons will love you. So she will take good care of you. Look come on.
No, why my mother will just me live with them now.
What you saying there, girl? That's your problem. You can't keep your mouth. Your mouth you put in a problem. I want to come out of this place, but I don't have nowhere to go.
Uncle.
Again? Girl, what am to you? What problem is?
Uncle, get up now, me have a surprise for you.
Come surprise, Punsy. What you say I go on for you? I'm going to go on.
Get up.
Jesus Christ. So come like a torture. What now?
Guess what, Uncle?
Huh?
Guess what?
What? Guess what? Tell me what then now. I'm going to go back and sleep now.
So you can't happy for me have a surprise for you?
You're not surprised people, I don't understand what I want to you. They inject you with some poison. They got a doctor. What's the problem?
Tapping at his. That's it?
Little girl! You know where the little girl? You're my favorite. No, sir. On TV? You now become my favorite. When I say favorite, I don't talk about no second hand. What kind of deal is that? Why you do this? Huh?
Uncle, me just do it. You know my uncle and me know say you love rum, so I buy it for you.
I know what you're up to. I know what you're up to. Alright. Is it since you do this, I'm going to make sure so you stay here. You want to stay, not true? Alright, no worry yourself, me girl. So you have a deal?
Yeah.
So if you can bring 2 more bottles, one maybe tomorrow or next day, we're good to go.
You're too creative. I cannot satisfy with the one.
You satisfied? What do you think it is? Easy go, easy come? No. Bring one tomorrow and we seal the deal. Alright? Tell Janet me the thanks.
How you so happy?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? Nothing. And nothing make you happy? Just nothing at all. And you happy like you win lotto?
No.
What do you mean no? So I can't say they come out and a jolly up like
So me can't happy every day. My life if it's sad.
I don't trust you. Me not trust you with my man although your uncle.
Yeah.
A day and your uncle hide and they behind my back.
Why am I there with my uncle?
What do you mean why you that day with your uncle? How me if you know that? Why you that day with your uncle?
Just say I don't like to live with Uno. Can't
You know like live with Uno. Me no like we live with you. Because you are one little Ginal. Your family ram. When you look for me suffer, you don't know what family ram mean.
First of all, I know what my uncle feed with me.
Because you're there, and attitude and body language. And you know, so me pull out your tongue out of your head. Where you go?
Me I go down there some.
Down there somewhere.
Yeah.
Enough time you tell me say I go down there somewhere, me I holler for you. And me they call you. You know in a yard, you're gone with your friend them. Where you going?
I'm going on the road and this time you cannot stop me.
Excuse you? I beg your pardon. Okay, move me out highway.
Me call me uncle, you know.
And where am I going to do?
It all gang.
Really? No junkie, no romed, no stacky. Can't manage me. So take back your chat. Swallow it down in your
Look here, lady, excuse me. Remember saying you're my uncle not married. You're just the side piece for now, excuse.
Oh, he never tell you. How are this? You're big and fool now, what? Come out of my place. Come in and want lick in your head. How you feel like?
So move out of me, we in the yard, tell me if you
Find somewhere going at the house. Why you going outside?
Me
And
no-
they can't tell me where you go and this time, I can't stop you. And that, move me out of the way.
First of all, I'm not stay up in and wash no plate because one thing I do, I can up in a bed and want me to do everything.
Oh, so if you work 7 to 7. In a sun and night job for you and come wash plate and lie at them. They shall never wash by me. You are going to wash them. And that,
Oh, you go fight me?
and if you answer that question there, you will ask me. Are you if you ask me?
I
nah
think you
answer.
go fight me.
Me not answer you. Because it look like you want me ring off your neck like when them a pluck out the fold them. And that you want me to do. It look like your uncle not tell you about me.
Look here, lady.
You're too little and rude and have no manners. I want to disrespect me. How you feel like this roof is mine. I know for your uncle, I feel me. And I know for we. Me not moving.
Auntie, excuse me, have some me have.
Hello, princess.
Excuse you, figure weird. Who to telephone a man they go on the road?
Hello, Kim. Well, I'm talking to you for a second. Let's make sure one, man. Let's give her a good time now. She listen to me. She tell me say she want to go down the road and go check one friend. Go check her friend, man.
But look on you little dirty roommates. Go on in back in the room and make me start on you.
Listen to me. You or yourself. Just let the lady pass. And when she go on. We don't want them night, one piece. I want Jesus Christ if you walk through the place sometimes. Alright? Let's make sure go on.
You not run this and you
No,
not run my show.
you run it. You run it fine. Yeah,
A little pitney this.
Yes,
she
a
not
little-
reach 28 and you
Good
want
God.
she go out on road for no reason. You
She's not going out for no
I wonder
reason.
if I give you money if you go buy rum.
No, not like that. Excuse me, listen to me. Just make sure go on, man. She go check her friend named Nikki.
Why you send her?
She come to me.
You
and
think me
talk-
go give you on my front? So
Me-
you send out a sound to do.
Listen
Send
to
the
me.
little pitney them and shop for go do. No me.
What mean
Not
do-go-do-go?
tonight.
No do-go-do-go, no
Me,
do-go-do-go.
not even night nor
Hello.
day. So you want send her out on the road? That you plan? Oh,
I
that's why
know.
she insists we go.
Listen
She
to me,
not
man.
going. She ain't going anywhere.
What's the matter with you? What you going on for? She fi talk to Punsy. She go talk to Punsy and she lay there call up on next phone. What's the matter with you? Let the girl go. What kind of devil jumping in this
Let the girl
morning?
down. Let the
Huh?
girl down. Let the girl go which part?
She's going to make
You
a
come
phone
going go
call.
out pan road, go breed. You not no money to take care of she and her baby. And me have all of them the responsibility there. So me must make she go out pan road, take her you with a little junking self. You know, say you're not sober.
Candy, let's let she go on the road. Listen to me. Let peace reign as from today. Alright?
Go on you little junkie.
Don't worry about
Romed,
jumping part.
go on in, cause something wrong with you.
Nothing is wrong with me.
Something wrong with you.
You need to start drink. That's what's wrong with you.
Me need to start drink. Anytime
Yes.
you start thinking about my front, you go a road, go drink. But you're not no more front here, so.
Why is
You hear
that
me?
about front and front and
Yeah.
front? I'm alright for right now.
Me done with the roommates there. Me sorry for your condition. Me not have no shampoo. And you, miss.
Hello.
You're not going anywhere.
Hello, alright.
So stay there and listen to me and your uncle like me on your side.
Kim,
Auntie, excuse me.
Kim. Hello, Kim.
So me gonna
Give her a minute,
not
man.
moving.
Is there? Go in your room. Go in your room and relax yourself.
Right. Bo.
This is a bull go for conquer business. I don't understand what, man. Hold yourself.
As long as I you me a conquer and your little dirty foot when you like here. That you front, you know, where your clothes ain't dirty like from yesterday and I see him roommate clothes. Nasty. As me you don't want left from work and come wash out it one clothes them on no bright, no what.
a fight. So, catch up. Stop. Going like you're at church, you know.
Ready?
In a,
Are you ready?
let's keep again.
Come.
Ready, Javi? Ready, Javi? Where last thing I say? Where last thing I say?
Yeah, remember that she. So I'm going to give one 5 minutes to go.
I'm not giving no more.
I'm not giving no money.
More look upstairs. More look upstairs.
Oh.
Never go up upstairs. Just check them back later. You understand?
40. What? 40.
One man,
Call her
one.
name Nikki.
Nikki.
Yeah. Nikki, you really a comedy? Heard about it. Nikki, you really a comedy? Action.
Let me take.
What else is it?
You think you're done with the wrong business?
Never, forever, never.
Damn it. You're done with the wrong business.
Never.
No, I'm gonna
Or 10,000 now. Ready?
You ready?
Ready again?
You ready? Laugh. You ready now?
Ready, Johnny?
Yeah, man, you ready, man? You ready? I mean, you know, you can't marry for me, so.
Yo, man. I chip me put tonight and you see. No, I'm sorry.
Yeah, put on this one, Jam.
I'll chip my girl a little chip and she want the whole light. I said, no, too greedy. Ready, come on.
Put on this one, like a chin on now.
Well, but why you take it rum from me?
Now run me to take for some put on for me free wallet. And then just me to take up. Then when me have way back now, me go kind of take up here and then it go job for. I said come to go make up.
Stay. Alright, take them out. What's in that shoe? Take up. You understand? You have to be a real. No, I don't talk about something, you know, but me I try to make it add up. You understand? It happen.
No, me not use the shit from this.
I'm going to go beer.
Come to public ready for shoot.
Yeah, man, ready.
Give me back to that side. Give back to that side. Let me turn down. Let me take out this out of my boss. I'm going to take no.
So, yeah. I hate the UK.
Give me money then.
Action. What the
Get up out of bed. Cover up, man. Yeah, he turn idiot when he get up.
Stop it. Tell me up first.
Ready?
Action. What the bo?
What me tell you to do?
You know what happened, ladies and gentlemen? Some people just want
Wow.
I drink a rum, just pour out. That's why we have a rum moment. Get it? Ready? Action! No, that music can put on. Lock it up. Just lock it up.
Yeah, here it is.
No, ready? Action!